G'day guys, welcome to Purewax Car Care Products. My name's Chris. Today we're introducing you to the X-treme Wheel Cleaner product. Unbelievable product for getting rid of brake dust and road grime from your painted or alloy wheels. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll put the trigger in. I do it a different way. I actually leave the seal on and then just punch the trigger through. Screw on the trigger cap. Nice and tight. Flick it onto the on position, and all we're going to do with our alloy wheel here is we're actually going to give it a bit of a soak with the product. And I'm just going to leave it on for 20 to 30 seconds. What you can do, if there's any heavily soiled areas, you can actually rub it in with a brush just to agitate the dirt.